Welcome to the EdbMails OST to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OST to PST converter lets you easily recover and export offline OST files to PST files. The software expertly handles corrupt, damaged, orphaned, and encrypted OST files while enabling direct migration to Office 365 and Live Exchange Server. You can quickly recover your emails, contacts, calendar items, and more with a reliable and user-friendly process. EdbMails provides a preview of all mailbox items before export, ensuring precise data selection during the OST to PST export process. For large OST files, the PST split option allows you to create manageable file sizes. With quick and efficient conversion and migration capabilities, EdbMails simplifies OST recovery, export, and migration operations. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to recover and convert OST to PST.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the OST to PST, OST to Office 365, OST to Exchange option.
Click Let's Go.
Click Browse for OST. Select the OST file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. For OST to PST export, ensure Outlook is installed on your computer with a profile. Click Export to Outlook PST. You can apply filters for folders and items. Export only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save.
If you want to split the PST files, enable this option and set the required size.
Click Continue.
Give a name for export job.
Click Continue.
Select the location to store the exported data. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get the export operation report. Now launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Now open the PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free OST to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.